That's a great question. So there are things that are being done right now in Toronto, for instance, that has a very aggressive and innovative lung transplant program. What they do is that they actually, rather than the urgency of somebody's died, wants to become a donor, you need to remove the organs quickly and you need to transplant them quickly. There's a number of things that happen to organs that make it hard for them to be used or to work, and therefore they're discarded because they can't be used. The lung transplant program at University of Toronto does something called ex vivo lung perfusion. But what they do is they take the organ out and they simulate conditions as if the organ was in the body, meaning it is provided circulation of blood and oxygen, and it is given treatments to repair the function of the organ in a laboratory for 24 hours prior to transplanting it. So the idea of repairing organs, resuscitating organs outside of the body is a big source of potential to improve the availability of organs. And then the other big thing is are we ever going to get to the point where you can actually grow organs in a laboratory? Right now we can grow simple organs, something like a bladder or just a container. But there are fascinating experiments in animals where you can it's a little bit complicated, but basically use the structure of an organ and repopulate it with stem cells that basically recreate the organ. So I think that future is promising. But can you just rephrase your question again? Because I'm not sure I even answered it. Just can you say that again? Yeah.
If there's like an 80-year-old man and he doesn't have long to live, but I know I have long to live and he needs a heart transplant. If they can put me into stasis for a certain number of time until the man dies, and they just give him.
And then you take it back.
Right.
There you go. I don't want you to sign that consent form. I'm just telling you now, I can't explain it, but don't sign the consent